Did you know a man was burned alive for saying there might be life on other planets? 400 years before we had telescopes to prove him right, Giordano Bruno declared the universe was infinite and filled with countless worlds. The church called this heresy. For 8 long years they imprisoned him. They tortured his body, trying to break his spirit. They wanted him to say his ideas were wrong. But Bruno refused to abandon what he knew was true. At his final trial, church officials made him an offer. Say your theories are false, and you can go free. Bruno looked them in the eye and said something legendary. You fear more in pronouncing this sentence than I do in receiving it. On execution day, they nailed his tongue shut so he couldn't speak his truths, but his eyes still burned with defiance as the flames consumed him. Bruno's sacrifice inspired Galileo and countless others. He proved that some principles matter more than life itself. Sometimes defending truth requires the ultimate price. That's the mark of unbreakable character.